Welcome to Growing Fearless, a thriving community designed for anyone passionate about gardening, sustainability, and leading a self-sufficient lifestyle. Whether you're a novice gardener or an experienced green thumb, our community is tailored for you. Growing Fearless is for everyone, from city dwellers with window boxes to rural folks with expansive gardens. It's for the environmentally conscious, the home chefs, and those seeking a deeper connection with nature. Here, you can expect to gain practical gardening skills, participate in exclusive workshops, and access a range of courses from seed starting to harvesting. Connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and grow together. To ensure a positive environment, we have a few simple rules. Respect each other, stay on topic, keep it spam-free, and share your experiences constructively. At Growing Fearless, we make learning fun. With gamification on school.com, you'll earn points, badges, and climb levels for activities like posting, completing courses, and helping others. Each level unlocks new benefits and recognition. Ready to plant the seeds of knowledge and watch them grow? Join Growing Fearless.